Welcome to Digital Marketing 101, 5 Essential Tips for Beginners. Whether you're starting a business or looking to expand your online presence, these tips will help you succeed in the world of digital marketing. Tip 1. Understand your target audience. Knowing who your customers are is key to creating effective marketing strategies. Research their demographics, interests, and behaviors to tailor your content specifically to them. Tip 2. Set realistic goals. Define what you want to achieve with your digital marketing efforts. Whether it's increasing website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales, having clear goals will guide your strategies and measure your success. Tip 3. Utilize social media platforms. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience. Create engaging posts, share valuable content, and interact with your followers regularly. Don't forget to leverage the targeting options provided by platforms like Facebook and Instagram to reach the right people. Tip 4. Invest in search engine optimization. Improve your website's visibility on search engines by optimizing your content. Use relevant keywords, create quality backlinks, and provide a seamless user experience to climb up those search rankings and attract organic traffic. Tip 5. Measure and analyze your results. Monitoring your digital marketing efforts is crucial to refine your strategies. Use tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic, conversion rates, and engagement. This data will help you identify what's working and what needs improvement. Thanks for watching our video. We hope these tips will kickstart your journey into digital marketing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. See you next time.